Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2000 code? This code means your car's NOx trap, also known as the lean NOx catalyst, is not reducing harmful exhaust gases efficiently. If you ignore this issue, your fuel efficiency can drop, emissions will increase, and your vehicle may even fail an emission or pollution test. Over time, it can also affect overall engine performance and emission system health. P2000 stands for NOx trap efficiency below threshold, bank 1. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the NOx catalyst on bank 1 is not cleaning the exhaust gases as expected. The NOx trap is responsible for storing and reducing nitrogen oxide gases produced during combustion. This problem is very common in modern diesel engines and some direct injection gasoline vehicles that use advanced emission control systems. Common symptoms include a check engine light on the dashboard, reduced fuel efficiency, slight power loss, higher exhaust emissions, and in some vehicles, limp mode. In many cases, the car may feel normal at first, but internally the emission system efficiency is dropping. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The NOx trap or lean NOx catalyst is located in the exhaust system, usually after the turbocharger and before or near the main catalytic converter. It is positioned underneath the vehicle along the exhaust pipe and looks like a large metal canister. The NOx sensor is mounted directly on the exhaust pipe, either before or after the NOx catalyst, and it includes a sensor probe inside the exhaust flow along with a control module and wiring harness connected to the ECU under the vehicle. The exhaust temperature sensor is typically installed on the exhaust manifold, turbo outlet, or close to the catalytic converter to monitor exhaust heat and catalyst efficiency. The oxygen sensors are placed before and after the catalytic converter in the exhaust pipe to help the ECU compare exhaust gas readings and detect efficiency problems. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning live data using an OBD2 scanner and carefully check NOx sensor readings, catalyst efficiency data, and exhaust temperature values. Then inspect the exhaust system for any leaks, cracks, or loose joints before the NOx catalyst because even a small leak can cause incorrect sensor readings and trigger the P2000 code. After that, check the NOx sensor wiring and connectors as these components are located under the car and are commonly affected by heat, water, and road debris. If the NOx trap catalyst is clogged with soot or carbon buildup, it will not store and reduce NOx gases properly and may require professional cleaning or replacement. Finally, repair or replace the faulty sensor, damaged wiring, or weak catalyst, clear the fault code, and perform a proper road test to confirm the fix. Remember, the most common causes of P2000 are a faulty NOx sensor, exhaust leaks, or a clogged NOx catalyst. Fixing this issue on time will restore fuel efficiency, improve engine performance, and ensure proper emission control while preventing the check engine light from returning.